Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check login activity on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to check your Steam login activity guys, first open up your Steam app and log into your account. Like I have already logged into my account over here. And after opening your Steam app guys, on this interface you can see there is a help button available for us at the top left corner of the screen where my mouse is hovering. Click on that help button at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the Steam support option available for us. Click on Steam support, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the my account option available for us. Click on the my account option over here, and over here we'll be required to scroll down. You can see, and at the bottom of the list here it says the data related to your Steam account. Click on that option where it says data related to your Steam account, and over here you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the recent login history over here. Click on that recent login history, and all of your login activity of your Steam account will be over here from where did you log in. And with that being said guys, this is how to check login activity on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.